Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a little while. I've just been crazy busy, but I am back. So today's video is going to talk about this curly hair that I'm rocking right now. So this look was achieved by using some curly clip-ins. I bought them from a company called Betterlength. I honestly just found them on Instagram. And I saw a couple of videos that other people who have used them, they did some videos just showing how they achieved their looks, and I thought the clip-ins looked really good. So I decided to buy them for myself. So these clip-ins from Betterlength are the Kinky Curly Clip-Ins, and this is the texture 3B3C, because this is kind of the curl pattern of my real hair for most of the part. I have so many different textures in my hair now, but I would say this is the closest to the texture of my real hair, and I would say it blends in pretty well with my real hair. So I just kind of twisted it back here just to kind of get it out of the way, and plus it's just a little easier because the front of my hair is a little bit more straight than the back of my hair. So instead of trying to blend it, I really just put it back most of the time like I have it right now. So if you like this look, just stay tuned. Okay, so since I'm using these clip-ins as more as I know I look crazy. I'm using these clip-ins as more of a protective style. So instead of leaving all of my hair out, I've only left out the front, having a little bit of leave out there. And then I have twisted the back. So let me turn around so you can see the back. So I just made 2 twists going back, and I have used bobby pins to pin them. So they don't have to be perfect. Obviously we're going to cover them with the clip-ins, so don't worry about how pretty they are because no one will see them. So this is the bag that it comes in. So you have an idea, you get 4 wefts with 2 clips, and this is what the 2 clips looks like. So you have 2 clips. Very easy to pop open. Then you have one with 3 clips. See, 3 clips there. Then you have one with 4 clips. That. And then there are big ones that have the 5 clips. That. So what I'll do first is I'll put the clip-ins in first, and then I will style my leave out to match the clip-ins. So here we go. As I put the clip-ins in, I will just put a little bit of product on it to make the hair not as frizzy. I mean, you want to have a little bit of definition to it. The hair actually is not that frizzy, but I'm just going to add a little bit of gel to the bottom of the curl. So I will be using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel. This has been my favorite gel to use lately. So I'm just going to add just a little bit to the bottom of the clip-in. For the front part of my hair, I'm just going to spray it with some water and leave-in conditioner so it can make it a little easier to style. So the edge control I'll be using today is the collection She Is Bomb Edge Control. I just got this from my local beauty supply store. All right, and this is the final look. Nice and sleek, little protective style using these clip-ins. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for a lot more content coming your way in the next few weeks. Bye.